No, actually my computer doesn't like me uploading videos onto Facebook, so I don't know where this could end up. You're not in it anyway, so you can watch and laugh at them. I'm so glad I got that out of you. I am so. Hi, Gianna. I'm so glad I got that. That was awesome.